Welcome to our kitchen remodel part 2 by DI Bayou. This is where you enter from the entryway of our home and our living room area, and then you enter into the breakfast nook over here, which is actually where we do our homeschool. And then there was this big wall staring you right in the face, this big giant green wall, and it's totally gone. So tomorrow we'll take the rest of the soffit out to here, and then we're also going to take the soffit out above the window, but only ending at that cabinet because all the cabinets are actually attached to the soffit. So we'll take it out right here, and then we'll just patch that drywall up and leave the rest in. And we'll do the same thing over here by the fridge. We're gonna carry that line straight across there, and then we'll patch that drywall up, and the rest of this is all gonna come out. And this line right here is gonna go straight up to the ceiling, and this is all coming out. So a lot of work left for us tomorrow, but we're getting there. Eventually we'll replace the ceiling fan. Doesn't even work in here, so we'll replace the light fixture and probably this one as well, because it's some kind of janky wire thing with a fluorescent on the wall kind of thing. And then there's another fluorescent thing up in there where it used to be, I don't know, some kind of crazy thing. So we're gonna look at doing like a pendant light or something there. So we'll see you again in the morning. At this point, we got the entire soffit out and that whole wall of cabinets, and you could start to see into the space. It just looks amazing. So much different than when it was all walled off. This was my first time using a reciprocating saw, and I was precariously balanced on the top of the fridge. It's not a hard tool to use at all. It's quite powerful and very heavy, but you just kind of aim and go. Hardest piece we've had to get out so far, and this one we're having trouble getting these two out, so I'm using a handsaw. It's taking me all day here. Feels like it. It's really hard work.
DI Bayou!
DI Bayou! At this point in the project, I had been on the fridge most of the morning. I was absolutely physically exhausted, and just getting that little piece of wood out was such a victory. Then all I had left to do to finish up this corner was to get this last piece of drywall out. Yay! Here's what it looks like from the entrance once we got the soffit out all the way around. Welcome back. We are about halfway through day 3 of our kitchen remodel. I've been sitting on the fridge most of the morning,
and working on that corner. We were working on some plaster work after that. So we still have to patch some drywall. As you can see, there's still a big hole there, all the way down. Big hole right there. So we're gonna patch that. This side, there's a few holes where they used to have like weird light fixtures. One of them we're gonna keep, one of them we're gonna patch. And then in this corner, we've actually decided to take out this cabinet here and take out the soffit so that it's all flush. And then we're gonna try to patch a door in this direction because this cabinet goes all the way back. So still a little bit more work to do on this side of the room, but we're getting there. We're getting so close. We're having a lot of fun. I'm exhausted, but it's getting there. We're so excited. And we're learning a lot on this project. It's amazing how quickly you can learn how to do these types of things. You guys, everyone is capable of doing this. It's amazing. Anybody can do home renovation and repair. Basically, it was just using a bunch of power tools and hammers and things to try to knock everything down and get it out of the house. We have a big pile of garbage in our garage, but anybody can do it. It's a lot of hard labor, but it's not impossible.
Thanks for watching this episode of DI Bayou. Stay tuned for part 3.
Good thing you have this super case.